Hey guys, we have some exciting news that we want to share with you. Plus, we're going to be talking about our word for the year for 2018 coming up.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Talaat.
And I'm Tai, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between. Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year! Happy New Year? You excited?
Yeah.
For the new year?
Yeah.
You want to talk?
We're here.
Yeah.
It's a new year.
Yes.
It's a blessing though, for real.
It is a blessing.
Everybody that we knew and everybody that you knew didn't make it to 2018.
That's true.
So it is a celebration. We're grateful to be here.
So grateful, guys, to have made it to 2018. I'm sure some of you guys are as well. So before we jump into our word for the year, as well as our progress report from 2017 on our word for the year, we have some exciting news to share with you guys. Are you all ready?
Are you?
Are you? So guys, if you have not already found out the news, we have totally relaunched hisandhermoney.com. Hisandhermoney.com, guys, got a total relift, facelift, new logo, new look. Everybody's loving the vibe.
Fresh.
Yes,
Fresh.
I love it. It's like my favorite colors. It's so bright. I love everything about our site. If you have not checked it out, pause this video now.
First of all, how have you not already checked out the new hisandhermoney.com? Where have you been?
Yeah. But guys, we have heard so many praises. A lot of you guys are saying, hey, Tai and Talaat, love the site. Everybody's hands down, they're loving the site. So we want to know if you love it too. Check it out. Leave us a comment in the comment section below, guys. It's so easy. We have our podcast, our videos, our blogs. There's something on that site just for you. So check it out. We're really excited for that, guys.
So now we're going to talk about what our word was for 2017 and how did we do.
Yeah, right. So our word for 2017 was expansion.
Remember we did that?
Yes, we sure did. And guys, I can honestly say that 2017 was all of that.
Yeah.
The Lord was so gracious to us in 2017. We walked in some doors that we've never walked in before. We had the wonderful opportunity to actually bring the Sunday message for an entire church in different campuses, right?
Yep.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
A church and their other campuses.
Other campuses, yeah. Right. Their topic for the month of, was it September?
Yeah, it was called Money Wise, and it was pulling out financial principles all from the book of Proverbs.
Yeah, so that was a very defining moment for us. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. It was amazing. Every single Sunday we were at a different campus, and we were able to actually meet some of you all who follow us. You all came up to us and showed us some love. We always love seeing your faces and meeting some of you. We had a wonderful time sharing the gospel and talking about finances, money, one of our favorite topics. So I will honestly say that that was probably a very expansive
I think that another way that we were expanded was, I think when we went into this thing, we had an idea of what expansion looked like. And you know what? It did turn out like that. Like Ty talked about, we spoke at several churches this year. We spoke at conferences this year.
Yeah.
We've got all kind of awards this year. And all of that was expansive. But it also, when you think expansion, you think of something being pulled.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And so I think we experienced some of that too.
Buddy, we did.
We learned some things about ourselves and we became stronger in some areas that we were weaker in.
Yeah.
And I think all of that was part of the expansion too. Part of the expanding that we weren't banking on, but that was super powerful for us as well.
Yeah, I can agree with that. Last year, I really took the opportunity to really start expanding myself, individually. I'm a mom. I love being a mom. I'm a wife. I love being a wife. I'm a sister. I'm a daughter. I'm all of those things, right? But I actually took the time to actually expand in myself. And what I mean by that, I took time for myself, guys. Like I treated myself like no other on last year. And I'm bringing that over into 2018, and it's going to stay, I would say. It's going to stay. But yes, God truly showed us ourselves. We grown in some areas, even in our church, right? Yeah, in our church, that was really exciting. We were announced as frontliners for the church. So
associate pastors.
Yeah,
so
it's just, man.
Even in our health, we took away meat from our diet. Who would have thought that we would have ever attempted that? And we did in 2017. God expanded us and challenged us in that way as well. And you know what? It was a lot that we learned and took in from all of these processes from 2017. So it was definitely a year of expansion.
So let's get into 2018.
What's
the word for the year 2018?
What the word is.
You say it.
Listen, guys, for 2018, our family word for the year is maximize.
Maximize. Oh my gosh. I think that you and I both individually, we were feeling that for this year, right?
Yep.
Prior to coming into 2018, the Lord was definitely dealing with me with some areas and some things about that, about maximizing like the moment and different areas in my life, and you too. And then when we came together and we started talking about it, it was like, oh my gosh, we both feel the same way, you know?
And so I think that for us, God has given us a whole lot to do. He has put it before us. And he is saying, I want you guys to maximize on the gifts that I put in you. I want you to maximize on the opportunities that I present to you. I want you to maximize your current roles as parents, as spouses, as leaders of your church, as leaders in your community, in the relationships that you have. Be a great friend and all of the above. And he has really challenged us to not to be average, not to just get by, but to maximize every opportunity and every gift and every situation to the fullest.
Yeah, I really feel the weight of that. So much so that I really felt like coming into this new year, the first week of January, you all, when I tell you I felt like such an attack. Anybody else felt like that out there? Or is it just, you know, you and I? I kind of felt like, man, so many different things were getting hit at us and thrown at us. Even with launching our new site, you all, would you believe it? Oh my gosh. The amount of time that it took us to actually launch that site was at least a year, right? At least. My goodness. And then when we launched the site, guys, everything was going well. And guess what? The very next morning, we could not access our own website in our home. Isn't that crazy? We can access any other website. We can do our banking, different things, whatever. Our particular website, we had no access
to. Now, you all could see it, but we couldn't see it.
But that, to me, that's crazy. So I just knew. I'm like, ooh. This type of year, it's like the devil is mad. You know what I mean? And it's like, you will not stop us. We will maximize the moment. We will enter into everything that God has called us into. And as a matter of fact, I love our scripture. Our scripture that actually goes with this word is coming out of Proverbs 22 and 29.
And it reads, "Seest thou a man diligent in his business? He shall stand before kings. He shall not stand before mean men."
Oh, I love that scripture. Let's be diligent. We are diligent. We're going to be diligent in a lot of things. His or her money, again, our marriage, parenting, church, different areas. Let's start being diligent, and God is going to set us before great men.
So what is your word going to be for 2018? If you haven't already picked one out, we highly suggest you guys do this. It is a fantastic exercise that we suggest for you. Take some time, reflect, think, pray about what is a focus word that God would have for you to focus on this year, because he is always talking and he always wants you to become better. So find out what your word is and let us know. We would love to hear from you in the comment section. We would love to cheer you on and pray with you that all that God has for you, you will obtain in 2018.
That's right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, check out our site. We're so excited. Go to hisandhermoney.com. Don't forget, again, like this video, share it, and meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you.
That's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time.
Bye, y'all. Happy New Year.